What's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Saitama Eno. Saitama Eno is now trending coin, trending token in the market, and a lot of people starting a huge amount and investing in a Saitama Eno because Saitama Eno is like a Shiba Eno token. You know what? In the previous, I think in the May, the Shiba Inu will highly explode, and a lot of people take a huge amount of profit from a Shiba Inu in a May month, just in a May month. Now, the June, July month of the Shiba Inu is completely very bad months. And now, today, my friends, I'm talking about the Saitama Inu big profit. Big profit, do this and big profit. Absolutely, you can get easily a huge amount of profit from a Saitama Inu possibilities. They will make you millionaire because about the future, my friends. So my friends, let me show you start this video. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please click the subscribe button now and also like this video for more news and updates videos. The currently latest price of the Saitama Inu in the market is very low. You can see here a huge bundle and a very cents, my friends. A very cents. The price is in the points, decimals. And on the other side, my friends, now the currently changes of the Saitama Inu is also going wrong. The changes is going wrong, so that's why a lot of people now understand that now you can see the changes is negative, so that means that the price is jumps, the price is decreasing. So I think that is a huge opportunity for everybody to buy more and more Saitama coin. Absolutely, my friends. Just hold to the end of this month, end of August. I hope you can get a very high amount of profit, my friends, from Saitama Eno. Seriously, my friend. That is my personal advice for all of you, my friends. Anyways, what you think about Saitama Eno? Personally, I'm 100% sure in my technical analysis, my price prediction, my research about Saitama Inu tell us that Keisho Inu, Shiba Inu, Saitama Inu, and some more Sansho Inu. This coin is now is a positive coin, and a lot of people also taken a huge profit from these coins. So now I also recommend for all of you to hold for a long time. You can see, my friends, from the price chart, absolutely they're taking a huge pump. That's why a lot of people want to invest in a Saitama Inu. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.